playing Skylanders. Xavier's being anal again, putting his cars in a line.
Yay, look at that! That's so cool! What? Oh, your car's in a line!
Say hi, Xavier.
No.
No, say hello.
Where's Sally?
It's all gone.
Where's Sally?
It's all gone.
Where's Sally?
Say morning.
Sally's so nice.
It's all gone. Say morning.
With juice. With juice.
You want juice?
What?
Give me that bit. Give me that. Go open the door. Meow.
Andy's driving my chair. How many times is it going to crash?
Don't know. 6. Let's go.
I've got wood. Get a new control box and new back plate.
There you go. 1.
New armrest and tyres.
Beep beep.
Danger
Did you get that? 2. Move out of the way. Move. I will run you over. I am not very good at this. Right, I've crashed twice so far.
Doing good so far.
Twice. Oh, look at that. Hooray! Champion! Oh my god. Leave it here. Now we need to get Laney in here without crushing her.
Cody decided to make himself comfortable. Got his bed, dropped it right out into the middle of the floor, and then made it into a nice pillow and laid on it. Didn't you, Code? Look at his ears, he knows I'm talking about him. There's his monkey close by. And there's the other 2 on the couch. This is dedication. Me and Jakey out in the rain and the thunder on a walk. Jake's only crying because we've stopped. He's alright. Hear the thunder? Whoa! Stop raining now. Jake's drying out a bit, aren't you, Jake? He's not happy because we've stopped. We're waiting outside. We've got this for Anya. Hey, Jake. Jakey, look. Jakey. Jakey. No, he said I'm not looking. You can stop. You stop there. It's still thundering, but the sun's out too.
Down. 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 Right down. Right down. Roll over. Go on in. Oh, no. Hey, that's a boy.
Such a good boy, Goats.
Hey, that's a good boy. Hey, that's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Hey, that's a good boy. Oh, thank you. Okay.
That's enough now,
enough now.
bud. Enough now. Good lad. That mummy give you that. God, you went to get the juice bit, love. That's better. So I've got to film them properly.
I think it's all gone now, bud.
Good boy.
Good lad.
Get that for being a good boy. There you go. Started this one. That's how much I've done so far. Looks like Jake's doing a night again. Tonight. Because Cody and Milo were out the back. So Jake. Can't get him to look at me though because he's too busy licking his paws like a cat. Oh, hello Jake. You going to say good night? So thank you for watching our videos, everyone. Today Jake went out, Jakey and I went out and poured rain as part of his fitness regime, innit, Jake? So, say night, Jakey, and we'll say see you tomorrow. Bye!